Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Important: if a graphics card with a support bracket is installed in the system, it may be necessary to remove it to gain access to the PCI card guide. Disconnect the front fan cable from the system board. Release the latch and remove the auxiliary power cable connectors from the holding slots in the PCI card guide. Press the front edge of the fan assembly and pull back to disengage the two release clips. Rotate the fan assembly and guide it out of the chassis. Replacement. Tow the tabs on the lower edge of the fan assembly into the cutouts in the chassis and press the release clips into the chassis until they snap into position. Latch the auxiliary power cable connectors onto the holding slots in the PCI card guide. Connect the front fan cable into the connector on the system board.